Welcome to episode 3 in our series of OCI Hammerspace Shorts. My name is Carla, and today we are looking at Hammerspace objectives and policies. As a refresher, Hammerspace is a global data platform that unifies storage across clouds, data centers, and edge into a single global namespace accessible from anywhere. Its main goals are to 1. Provide a high-performance parallel file system, 2. Make data location agnostic, and 3. Automate data placement and movement, where the objectives and policies decide where data lives and when it moves. This episode will look at the third goal, Hammerspace objectives and policies. Here's what we will do. We will have a single Hammerspace deployment with 2 shares. The storage infrastructure will consist of an object store, 2 Whitebox Linux servers, and a Hammerspace DSX storage node. We will create 2 objectives. We will apply one objective to a directory in Share 1 and apply the other objective to Share 2. Let's get started. Let's first confirm the environment. Here are our storage nodes. 1 is a DSX node, 2 Linux servers, and 1 object store. Now let's confirm our shares are there. Share 1 is called Data and Share 2 is called Training. Now let's look at the Objectives tab. Hammerspace objectives are instructions that are used to implement data orchestration goals and control the behavior of the file system. Conditions are rules that can be used to control how objectives are enforced. Let's look at some of the standard default objectives. Availability objectives enable the admin to specify how many nines of availability the data should have. Data will be placed either on a storage volume that meets the availability number, or multiple file instances may be created to meet the requested number of nines. Confined to is a placement objective. When checked, the objective restricts all data to be written to a specified location. A keep online objective will place data on any online volume, including DSX-based volumes or third-party NFS volumes in the cluster. Let's set up an objective to place data on 2 separate storage arrays. Step 1 is to name the objective and give it a description. Our next panel is the placement options. Here is where we pick what storage systems the first and second copies of the data will reside on. We simply pick the storage node we want to host the first copy of the data and the storage node we want to host copy number 2. One last check to confirm we picked the right storage nodes. We will then click Next to accept the defaults and create our objective, which is right here. Our next step is to attach this objective to a share or a directory. We will attach this objective to the models directory in the training share. Attaching an objective is straightforward. Simply press the pencil beside the objectives column on the directory, add an objective, scroll down to the one we just created, click Apply, and you are done. Now let's see what happens. Remember, this is a directory with existing data in it. Our new objective specifies that we create a copy on another storage platform, so our file alignment turns yellow, indicating that they're partially aligned files. Once all the data is replicated on both systems, the objective has been complied to and our indicator turns green. Done. Any new files written to this directory will be replicated on both systems. Next, let's create a file tiering policy. We will create a policy where any data that has not been touched in over 5 minutes will tier to the object store. This policy will be created as a condition to an existing objective. In our case, we will use the place-on objective and the condition will be last age use. First, we find the objective, placing a file on the object store, and then we will define applicability. Using operator statements, we will pick last use age equals or lower than 5 minutes, and we click Apply. Like last time, we save the objective and simply add it to the share. There we have it. Once our objective is applied, it will immediately start tiering data. It's that simple. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you for watching, and we will see you soon. Please follow the link for more information.